Okay, we have completed till Act 2, Scene 9. Now we are going to do Act 3, Scene 1. Now Act 3, Scene 1 is taking place in Venice, street of Venice. And here, first we will see the two characters, that is Salarino and Salanio. Okay, and afterward we will see Shylock. And then second person is Tubal. You may be new to this name Tubal. Tubal is a Jew, yes, Jew and Shylock's friend. Okay, Tubal is also a Jew like Shylock and he is Shylock's friend. And Tubal, what is the purpose of Tubal in Merchant of Venice? When Jessica was eloped with Lorenzo, that time in the previous scene you have studied, Shylock was shouting at the street of Venice. So he gave money to Tubal to go and find out where is Jessica and Lorenzo, and to bring her either dead or alive, and also to bring his ducats, jewels, money and everything. So that was the purpose of Shylock sending Tubal to in search of Jessica. So that is why we see in this scene Tubal is there as a character and he is having a conversation with Shylock. Now here first of all you will start with Salanio and Salarino, that they are there and Salanio is asking to Salarino, what news on the Rialto? Rialto is what? Rialto is a Venetian stock exchange. You know stock exchange market where they go for transactions and where there is the betting and all done. They invest money, they get high interest for it. That is a stock exchange. And who used to go to stock exchange? Shylock and Antonio. If you remember the starting one, there only they used to have the giving money in high interest. Shylock used to give money, Antonio used to give money without any interest. So these things were going on. So first Salanio asked, what is the news in Rialto? What's going on there? Salarino, why yet it lives there unchecked that Antonio had a ship of rich lading wrecked on the narrow seas, the Goodwin. Salanio saying, there is a confirmed report, there is a confirmed news stating that Antonio's ship, which was with rich cargoes, cargoes means with rich goods, which were with rich goods, wrecked on the narrow sea. Wrecked means got damaged, got destroyed on the narrow sea. The Goodwin. And what was that narrow sea name? Goodwin. That name. I think they called the place, and means the place name was Goodwin. So in this place, that particular place, the narrow sea, Antonio's ship was going and it got wrecked. I think they call the place a very dangerous, flat and fatal, where the carcasses of many a tall ship lie buried. Carcasses, you know, pieces of ship. Like many ships have been wrecked there. That place is narrow. So always that is a place, that is a dangerous place. So many a time ship gets wrecked, ship get damaged. So that is the way he says many carcasses, many pieces of ships are lying buried there. As they say, if my gossip report be an honest woman of her word. He is saying, I don't know whether it is true, but I am 100% sure that it is a confirmed report. But if my gossip is true, like a honest woman, like a woman who passes, like here he is comparing gossip to a talkative woman. Like it is being said, women, they pass rumors very fast. From one year to the last year. Like one thing they will hear, like a great group of women are sitting there and some, oh, this thing happened there. And then it will go to other one. From there it will go to the third one. And when it reaches to the last, it will be some other news. It will be some other. So that is known as rumors. Rumors, you know, like just a fake news or just a news like that passing from one corner to other. So here the rumor is compared to a woman. Rumor is compared to a woman. and saying, if this rumor is true, then I am sure that this news is confirmed. Now Salanio say, I would shiver as lying a gossip. In that, now Salanio is wishing. He's saying, it's my wish. This news should be a rumor. Why they are wishing this news should be a rumor? Because that is really, if it is true, it is very serious. Because Antonio is their friend. And if its ship got wrecked, then what will happen? He will be unable to pay the money to Shylock. So they are wishing this news should be really not honest news. This news should be a rumor. So he called lying a gossip in that. He is calling it a Madam Rumor and saying, in that as ever napped Ginger or made her neighbors believe, she wept for the death of her third husband. Now this 3 line is a kind of, you can say, is a statement, is a storytelling about a woman, who passes rumor. What kind of rumor? She ate ginger. Ginger, you know? She ate ginger, and when she ate ginger, the tears were coming out. And when the tears were coming out, she made her neighbors believe that her third husband has been died. And she is very sad over the death of her husband. So that is a kind of rumor. She is not actually sad. First and second already died. Now third, why will she be sad? So she is not sad, but if she will be sitting and smiling, other people will think, no, husband died and she is smiling. So to make the neighbors believe that I am very sad, she ate ginger. And the tears were coming down, so neighbor thought, oh, she is very sad over the death of her husband. So this is a rumor. So this is a short story told by Salanio about a Madam Rumor. He gave the name Madam Rumor. Then he says, but it is true, without any slips of prolixity or crossing the plain highway of talk. But he is saying, without speaking much. Means slip of prolixity means beating around the bush. Like some people, what happened? Going directly to a topic, they go around. So Salanio is saying, without any beating around the bush, I am afraid. Means that the good Antonio, the honest Antonio, oh that I had a title good enough to keep his name company. He say, I am afraid about my friend noble Antonio. Here he gave an adjective for Antonio, noble Antonio, honest Antonio. These are what? Adjective, qualifying the noun. So these are adjective he gave for Antonio, my noble friend, my honest friend. This should not happen to him. Means this news should only be a rumor. Because my noble and honest friend will be really, it will be a sad news for him if it is true. Salanio, come the full stop. Now he said, come, let us put a full stop. Let us put an end to this topic. Salanio, hey, what says thou? Why the end is he had lost a ship? Salanio saying, why did you say so? Why you are putting a full stop? Is that true that Antonio has lost his ship? Is it true? Salanio, it might prove the end of his losses. He said, I want that his losses should come to an end. Losses means, what is his loss? If the ship is being wrecked, he will be in loss. He will be not able to pay the money to Shylock. And Salanio is wishing here, let his losses should come to an end. Let him pay all the money and let his loss be an end. Let him not suffer anything. Salanio, let me say amen bedtimes, lest the devil cross my prayer, for here he comes in the likeness of a Jew. What is the meaning of amen? You say in the prayer, no? Always when you say prayer in the school also you say amen. Amen means let it happen like that. Whatever you are praying, let it happen. So Salanio is saying, let me say amen. Let me say amen. Why? Whatever we are wishing, let it happen like that. Otherwise, the devil will cross my way. And here he is regarding devil to whom? Shylock, because he is on the way. He is also a devil, in human form of devil. So saying, let me say amen before the devil comes on my way. And now the entry of Shylock. Now the entry of Shylock comes here. Enter Shylock. Salanio says, how now Shylock, what news among the merchant? He said, Shylock, what is the news among the merchant? How everything going on? Shylock, you knew none so well as you of my daughter's flight. Now Shylock is not worried about the stock exchange. He is saying, do you all not know about my daughter's elopement? He said, telling to everyone that my daughter ran away. What a father. He is telling, do you not know how much I am sad? My daughter has been eloped. Salarino, that's certain. I for my part knew the tailor that made the wings she flew with him. He said, yes, I know. I also know the tailor who has made the wings for her to fly. Because he said, no, the flight of my daughter. Flight means to fly away. So he is saying, I also know the tailor who has made the wings for your daughter. Who is the tailor actually? Lorenzo. I know the tailor who has made the wings for your daughter to fly away. Salanio. And Shylock for his own part knew the bird was fledged, and then it is the complexion of them all to leave the dam. This is a very nice line Salanio says. You can underline it. He says here, Shylock, it is the part of life. When a young bird is ready to fly, it always leaves the place of its mother, the nest. Like the bird, the mother bird and the birdie is there. When the birdie gets the wings and gets ready to fly, what happens to the small birdie? It leaves the nest, it leaves the place of the mother and she flies away. So same thing he is saying, now she has been a young bird, she is grown up. Now it is the nature of the young bird to leave the mother. So that is why it was the nature of Jessica to leave you. And she has flew away. Shylock, she is damned for it. Shylock saying she will be damned for doing so. She will pay for it. She has done a very wrong thing. And she will really suffer for it. Salarino, that's certain if the devil may be her judge. Salarino said, yes. If the judge is devil, telling to whom? To Shylock. If the judge is devil, definitely she will suffer. But if she is right, she will not suffer. Shylock, my own flesh and blood to rebel. He says, she is my own flesh, my blood. And she has rebelled against me. She has gone against me. She is my own flesh and blood. And she has cheated on me. Just not only ran away, took everything. So she has cheated. Salarino, that is more difference between thy flesh and hers than between jet and ivory. More between your blood than there is between red wine and Rhenish wine. Now two things he said here. Jet and ivory, you can underline it. And red wine and Rhenish wine. Now first thing, understand what is jet and ivory. Jet means black, ivory means white. Okay? Red wine is a cheap wine, Rhenish wine is an expensive wine. Now, who is jet here? Shylock is a black person, means from inside he is black. Ivory is who? Jessica, she is a good soul. Again, red wine, cheap person is who? Shylock. Rhenish wine, who is the expensive and really good person? Jessica. So, Salarino said, as the difference between your flesh and hers is that between jet and ivory. How the difference between jet and ivory, red wine and Rhenish wine, same way is difference between you and Jessica. But tell us, do you hear whether Antonio have had any loss at sea or no? He said, now forget about this. Did you hear about any loss of Antonio? Now they wanted to confirm from Shylock. Did he hear about it? Shylock, there I have another bad match, a bankrupt, a prodigal who dares scare show his head on the Rialto. Shylock saying, now Shylock got again furious. Already annoyed with the daughter. Now Salarino told the name of Antonio. He hates Antonio. He said he is a bankrupt. He is a prodigal. He is so like a scary person. He is not being come in the Rialto also. And a beggar that was used to come so smug upon the mart. He is a beggar who comes to the mart with the smiling face. But he is not at all a good person. He was wont to call me unsurer. He said he called me money lender. Like money lender is a little cheap word. Related to you are exchanging money, related to a merchant. Money lender is little cheap. He said, he called me money lender. Let him look to his bond. He's saying, I am having the bond. Let him look to his bond. He was born to lend money for a Christian courtesy. Let him look to his bond. He said, he has to pay for it. He was very generous for his friend, for his Christian friend, and he has lent money from me. Now he has to pay for it. Now he will be sure. Because when Salanio told about his loss, and Shylock became very excited. He said, let him suffer for it whatever he has said. So he said, he has to pay for the bond whatever he has signed here. And that is why Shylock was very happy for it. So Salanio said, why I am sure if he forfeit, thou will not take his flesh, what's that good for? Salanio said, but I am sure if he fails to pay the money, you are not going to take his flesh. Because bond it was written, no? If he fails to pay the money, what he will take? A pound of flesh from Antonio's body. He said, now Salanio in a different tone he said, but I am sure Shylock, if he fails to pay the money, you are not going to take the flesh. What you will get from the flesh? Flesh, what you are going to get? Money is important, na? So I hope you are not going to do so. So that way he told to Shylock to get the confirmed news how much excited or how much revengeful is Shylock to get Antonio in front of him. That is why these two people, Salarino and Salanio, wanted to confirm from Shylock. Means how Antonio will be dealing here. Whether if this loss, if this news is correct, how Antonio is going to face Shylock. Okay, this much clear? Thank you.